Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the ProxyEmpire Chrome Proxy Manager plugin. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will expand a submenu showing your extension-related options. In this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install various plugins and tools. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the top of the page where you'll find a search bar. In this search bar, type ProxyEmpire Proxy Manager and hit Enter to search for the extension. Once the search results appear, you should see the ProxyEmpire Proxy Manager extension listed. Click on it to open the extensions page where you can view its details and installation options. On the extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will now be installed and added to your Chrome browser, which should only take a few seconds. After the installation completes, look at the top right corner of your browser, where you'll see a puzzle piece icon representing your extensions. Click on this extension icon to view all your installed extensions. From the drop-down list that appears, locate and click on the ProxyEmpire extension to open its interface. In the ProxyEmpire interface, you'll see an option that says Add Profile. Click on this button and it will open a new tab where you can configure your proxy settings. On this new page, click the Add Profile button again to start creating your proxy configuration. Now you'll see several fields that need to be filled out. First, click on the drop-down menu labeled Type. From the options that appear, choose your preferred proxy type. For example, you might select HTTP depending on your needs. Next, you'll need to input your proxy details. Enter the host address and port number in their respective fields. These are typically provided by your proxy service. After that, input your username and password in the authentication fields. These credentials are required to connect to your proxy server. Once you've filled out all the required information, click the Save Profile button at the bottom to store your configuration. Now that your profile is saved, click on the extension icon at the top of your browser again and select the ProxyEmpire extension to open it. You'll see your newly created profile listed. Click the Connect button to activate your proxy connection. This will route your browser traffic through the proxy server you configured. You'll also notice additional features available to customize your browsing experience. There's a toggle button for WebRTC mode that allows you to block WebRTC or leave it enabled depending on your privacy needs. Additionally, you'll see a time zone mode option with its own toggle button that you can turn on or off to control how your time zone information is handled while using the proxy. And that's it. You've successfully set up and configured the ProxyEmpire Chrome Proxy Manager plugin, giving you enhanced control over your browsing privacy and connection settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.